This problem can be solved without a calculator if we know that our parent function of log base 2 of x looks like this, and we know that the plus 2 will shift it up 2 units above that, which means that our graph will now look like this. It will still have the vertical asymptote as the y-axis, and it will still be increasing all the way through. For this problem, we do know that we cannot get the same base, so we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So we'll have natural log of 5 to the exponent of x minus 1, and that's equal to the natural log of 18. Using our properties of exponents and logs, we can bring this exponent to the front, so we have x minus 1 times the natural log of 5 is equal to the natural log of 18. From here, we can divide both sides by the natural log of 5, since we're trying to isolate the x and the minus 1. So dividing by natural log of 5, I find that x minus 1 is equal to the natural log of 18 over the natural log of 5. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, so I find that x is equal to the natural log of 18 over the natural log of 5 plus 1. No graphing calculator or scientific calculator was needed. Using the properties of logs, we're going to combine these two logs together. So we're going to find that this is the natural log of 5x minus 1 times x minus 3. That's because of the plus sign. We multiply the two expressions, and that's going to equal to the natural log of 3. Since we have natural log on both sides of my equation, I can see that 5x minus 1 times x minus 3 is equal to 3. From here, we're going to use our knowledge of quadratic equations and multiply the left side out to get 5x squared minus 15x minus x plus 3 and set that equal to 3. I'm going to put everything to the left side, so I'm going to set it equal to 0, so I get 5x squared minus 16x, and then the plus 3 and the minus 3 will become 0. Now I just need to factor this out, since both of them have an x, so I'm going to factor out an x. X times 5x minus 16 is equal to 0. Using the zero product property, we can see that x can equal to 0, or that 5x minus 16 is equal to 0. Solving for x, we find that x is 16 over 5. Because of our domain restriction for any of the natural logs, so if we have y is equal to the natural log of x, we know that our domain will be from 0, but not including 0, to infinity. And therefore, we can see that this answer cannot be in our answer choices, so our only answer is this one here. Again, no graphing calculator was needed, or scientific calculator.